Have you ever thought that a common leafy vegetable, growing freely in your garden, cheap and familiar, could actually detox your liver, lower blood sugar, regulate blood pressure, improve sleep, enhance your skin, and even help prevent cancer? If you're looking for a healthy, budget-friendly, and easy-to-cook ingredient that still delivers powerful nutrition, sweet potato leaves are truly a gift from nature. In Eastern medicine, they're known for their cooling and detoxifying effects. Modern science also confirms they're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Great for your liver, digestion, immunity, and more. Welcome to Live Well Every Day. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss our daily natural health tips. Now, let's dive into 7 incredible benefits of sweet potato leaves and how to use them to turn everyday meals into natural, nourishing remedies for your whole family. Benefit 1. Cooling the body. Liver detoxification. Sweet potato leaves are among the green vegetables with a high amount of natural antioxidants, especially polyphenols and flavonoids, compounds known for neutralizing free radicals and protecting liver cells from damage. Free radicals are one of the main causes behind liver inflammation, toxicity, and gradual decline in liver function. Thanks to the vitamin C and beta-carotene found in sweet potato leaves, the liver is supported in regenerating new cells and enhancing its natural detoxability. Especially during the hot summer months, the body tends to overheat, leading to acne, rashes, or sleeplessness due to overworked liver function. Eating sweet potato leaves 2 to 3 times a week not only helps cool the liver, but also improves sleep, digestion, and overall immunity. Though humble and rustic, sweet potato leaves are a silent savior for your liver, especially for those who often consume oily foods, drink alcohol, or endure long-term stress at work. Benefit 2. Blood sugar control. Great for diabetics. Sweet potato leaves are considered a natural support food for people with diabetes thanks to their ability to lower and stabilize post-meal blood sugar levels. These leaves contain caffeoylquinic acid, a powerful antioxidant that helps regulate blood glucose levels, preventing sudden spikes after eating starchy foods or simple sugars. In addition, sweet potato leaves are rich in soluble fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and improves insulin sensitivity, the hormone responsible for metabolizing sugar. As a result, people with diabetes can better manage stable blood sugar after each meal. Several studies have shown that regularly incorporating sweet potato leaves into the diet can help lower HbA1c levels, a key indicator that reflects average blood glucose over the past 3 months. This is essential in preventing diabetes complications such as blurred vision, kidney damage, and cardiovascular diseases. However, diabetic individuals should only consume sweet potato leaves when they're cooked, avoid eating them raw, and don't combine them with too much fat or salt. Eating them 2 to 3 times a week, along with a healthy diet and regular physical activity, can significantly improve blood sugar management. Benefit 3. Natural laxative. Supports digestion. Sweet potato leaves are among the green vegetables that are rich in natural dietary fiber, especially insoluble fiber, a key component in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Once in the gut, this fiber acts like a gentle broom, helping to clean the intestinal lining, stimulate bowel movements, and effectively prevent constipation. Furthermore, regularly eating sweet potato leaves helps increase stool bulk, soften stool texture, and shorten the transit time of waste through the colon, thereby reducing the risk of diverticulitis, hemorrhoids, or chronic colitis. In traditional Eastern medicine, sweet potato leaves are classified as a food that promotes bowel flow, meaning it eases the belly, prevents bloating, and supports smoother digestion. This is especially beneficial for the elderly, sedentary individuals, or anyone with a low vegetable diet. Including sweet potato leaves in 2 to 3 meals per week can help your digestive system function more smoothly. However, be mindful not to consume too much in one sitting, especially on an empty stomach, as a sudden fiber increase may cause mild bloating if your body isn't used to it. Eat the right amount, the right way, and sweet potato leaves will become a natural, safe, and simple digestive remedy for your home. Benefit 4. Cancer prevention. One of the most remarkable yet often overlooked benefits of sweet potato leaves is their ability to help prevent the formation and growth of cancer cells. These leaves contain a variety of powerful antioxidants, especially polyphenols, flavonoids, and anthocyanins, compounds known for neutralizing free radicals and eliminating harmful molecules within the body. Free radicals are one of the leading causes of DNA damage, cellular disorders, and ultimately malignant transformations. In other words, the development of cancer cells. Regularly consuming sweet potato leaves helps reduce the risk of cellular damage, thereby lowering the likelihood of developing common cancers such as liver cancer, colon cancer, stomach cancer, or breast cancer. Moreover, the antioxidants in sweet potato leaves also help strengthen the immune system, supporting the body in detecting and eliminating abnormal cells at an early stage. This is one of the body's most vital natural mechanisms for long-term health protection. Incorporating sweet potato leaves into your weekly diet not only adds flavor to your meals, but also serves as a simple, cost-effective way to prevent cancer from the root, a method that's both accessible and highly effective. Benefit 5. Blood pressure regulation. Sweet potato leaves are a natural food source rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. According to modern nutritional studies, potassium can counterbalance excess sodium in the body, helping to ease pressure on blood vessel walls and maintain stable blood pressure levels. Eating too much salt, consuming a lot of processed foods, or relying on fast food often leads to high sodium levels in the bloodstream, a common cause of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. When you include sweet potato leaves, a vegetable low in sodium but high in potassium and magnesium, your body is supported in relaxing blood vessels, reducing vascular tension, and naturally lowering the risk of high blood pressure. Additionally, sweet potato leaves contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce damage to blood vessels caused by chronic low-grade inflammation, a condition often seen in older adults or those with poor dietary habits. Maintaining a habit of eating sweet potato leaves 2 to 3 times per week, combined with a low-sodium diet and light exercise, can help protect your heart, manage blood pressure, and effectively reduce the risk of stroke, all without relying on medication. Benefit 6. Great for eyes and skin. Sweet potato leaves not only benefit your internal health, but also bring noticeable improvements to your eyes and skin, thanks to their rich content of beta-carotene, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Beta-carotene is the precursor of vitamin A, an essential nutrient that helps maintain vision, protect the retina, and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Once inside the body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which helps the eyes adjust better to low light conditions and protects the eye's mucous membranes from dryness and inflammation. People who spend long hours in front of a computer screen, use smartphones frequently, or older adults experiencing tired or blurry vision may find relief by incorporating sweet potato leaves into their meals regularly. In addition, the vitamin C in sweet potato leaves stimulates collagen production, a vital protein that keeps skin smooth, elastic, and youthful. Strong antioxidants such as flavonoids and anthocyanins also help neutralize free radicals, the main culprits behind dark spots, wrinkles, and dull skin tone. Thanks to this harmonious combination of nutrients that support both eyes and skin, sweet potato leaves are considered a beauty-from-within vegetable, inexpensive, easy to cook, and a great choice for anyone looking to care for their appearance while living a healthier life each day. Benefit 7. Promotes better sleep, natural relaxation. Sweet potato leaves may look simple, but they're a natural sleep aid, especially for those who struggle with insomnia, stress, or anxiety. They're rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 key compounds that calm the mind and support deep, restful sleep. Thanks to their cooling nature, they also help soothe the liver, an organ believed in Eastern medicine to influence sleep. For older adults or anyone under daily stress, Adding sweet potato leaves to dinner 2 or 3 times a week, steamed, boiled, or in a light soup, can gently relax the body and improve sleep naturally. If this video brought you value, please like, share, and subscribe to live well every day for more safe, simple health tips. Thanks for watching, and may you and your family stay healthy, peaceful, and full of positive energy each day.